In this video, I will tell you about plotting your drawings with different colored plot style tables. So the plot style tables or the pen assignments are the different settings for your plotter, and using these assignments you can tell plotter to plot your drawing in a very specific way. For example, here we have this drawing with lots of different colors and line weight, line types and other settings. Now let's say that we want to plot this drawing in monochrome. You can use a different plot style, monochrome plot style to be exact, to plot this drawing. So although the drawing will be completely colored, but when you'll send it to a plotter, it will be printed as a black and white or a monochrome drawing. In a similar way, you can add different plot style table. For example, all the text in this drawing is currently red. If you want to change it, if you want to change the color of this text in the plot assignment or in the plot style, you can assign it as green, and all the text in this drawing will be plotted as green, even though it will remain red in this drawing. So we'll learn to make our own colored plot style table, but before that we'll check the current plot table assignment of this drawing. So you can check the plot style which is assigned to this drawing by going to the options window. So right click anywhere in the drawing area and select this options. Now here, go to this plot and publish tab and click on plot style table settings. Now we have this plot style table settings, and here you'll see these two radio buttons. The first one is use color dependent plot style. Second one is use name plot style. So here in this case, color dependent has been selected. So that's the plot style which we have. Now let's click on OK and OK again. Now I'll go to the plot option. And here we have all the settings already configured for us, so we don't need to change any of these settings. Now let's say that we want to first preview the drawing in this current situation. So for that, I'll click on preview, and that's the final output which we'll get. Now let's close it, and now let's change the first plot style. So here we have this plot style table menu. Now click on this menu and select a different plot style. So in this case, I'll select this grayscale.ctb. So CTB is the extension for colored plot style table. So I'll select it. Now I'll click on preview, and here we have it. Now, although the drawing is still colored, still we have this black and white preview in which the transparency or the screening effect has already been applied depending upon the intensity of color. Now let's close it. And now let's say that we don't want the intensity of color to change. We want them to remain uniform while plotting a black and white drawing. For that, we can select monochrome. So let's select monochrome, click on preview, and here we have it. The intensity of color remain uniform in all of these different parts of the drawing, and still we have this black and white drawing. Now let's close it. And now let's look at other options here. So we have this screening option. So you can screen it by 75% by selecting this 25% screening. So in that case, if you select 25% screening, the drawing will dim by 75%. Here the 50% dimming, here the 25% dimming. So I'll select this screening 75, click on preview, and there we have it. So now the drawing has been dimmed to 25%. If you change it to, let's say, 25, it will be dimmed even further. And here we have it, a completely dimmed drawing. So in this way, you can change lots of different settings. So these are some of the predefined colored plot style table. Now, if you want to create your own plot style table, simply click on the menu and select this new option. Now you'll see this wizard. From here, you need to select the appropriate options. So I'll start with this option, start from scratch. Now click on next, and we'll give it a name. So let's name it as test, and click on next. Now we have this plot style table editor. Click on this button, and here we have this general tab in which all the information related to this is listed. You can add a description if you want. Here we have the table view of the settings and the form view. So these two have same information but in different view. So I'll select this form view. Now here we can select the color and assign their properties here. So I'll start with the cyan. So here we have the cyan color as color 4, and we want this cyan color to be plotted as something else. So I'll go to color and I'll select this select color option, and let's select this orange type of color, a saffron type. Click on OK. So that's quite recognizable. Now if you want, you can also assign some line weight to this. So I'll go to use object line weight and I'll change it to 0.5. Okay, so these are the two settings which we have changed, but obviously you can change lots of different settings here. Now I'll click on save and close and I'll click on finish. So now we have created our own test.ctb plot style. Now let's see how our plot will look with this plot style table. So I'll click on preview and here we have it. All the blocks which were cyan in color are now changed, and also their line weights are changed appropriately. Now let's click on close and let's click on OK to plot this drawing with these settings. So I'll select 2 as the name and I'll click on save. And here we have it, the final output as per the settings which we have applied here. So as you can see here clearly that we have applied a different line weight for this drawing. So the line weight has been retained. If you compare it with the line weight of this block, you can clearly see the difference. So let's now close it and let's click on close here on this bubble as well. So that was all about creating the colored plot style table in AutoCAD.